Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien here on the morning of Saturday, March 11th, 2023. And sitting in for Paul Harvey, I wanted to continue my commentary with Mr. Harvey's okay up there with the boss and Paul Jr. on extinction of the American/human race. And today's commentary is on how do you know you're going to be extinct? Well, you have used technology for your personal purposes, for personal gain, and damn the consequences. Or as your one admiral put it a long time ago, full speed ahead and damn the torpedoes. Or you're getting the torpedoes. With all your economic successes of the last century and a half, and you have violated the planet's way of doing things, or as you call it down here, ecosystems, big time. Well, case in point, this morning I was watching CNN, and their meteorologists, two of them, had to admit that they had to look up atmospheric rivers because they didn't know what that meant. Wow. If they don't know what atmospheric rivers meant, and that's the first thing you realize about a planet. You don't look at the planet from the face down, you look at it going down, from atmosphere down to the surface. And that's one thing you Americans and humans have never done. Look at your Earth from up there down here. You always look down here and see what you can steal or otherwise appropriate for yourselves. What kind of a stupid society are you guys? Well, look at your states. I mean, California's getting blasted. And it'll get worse in California. It'll get worse in Texas. It'll get worse in Florida. And it'll get worse in the Midwest. Big time. You're looking at an ice age coming up soon. We're north of the, 30th parallel. You guys are going to be with what, 2 miles of ice? Yeah. And all this because you have destroyed the ecosystem of the planet. Each planet has an ecosystem. That's what we had to restore in our adopted planet, because the society before there, they were bipedal, whether they were humanoids or insectoids or reptilians or whatever they were, we don't know yet. And it's been, almost 1,200 years since we were there? And we haven't found that out yet. So see, there's things you got to look. But it took us 200 of your years to get that planet back into system, equilibrium, so it became a viable planet. And it took less than 200 years for you to destroy your ecosystem on your planet. Boy, you guys work fast, huh? Mm-hmm. Well, in a way. So expect more of the atmospheric rivers, and you guys in CNN, you better learn ultra storms, because you're going to get those in the winter time. Highly charged particles of negative electricity that's going to hit the earth. Big time. And all that because you guys have charged the Earth's atmosphere with negative particles. And the sun's rays, being positive, react to the negative particles, and it's like antimatter and matter to a minor degree, but they are, antimatter and matter, exploding to each other and causing heavy devastation to your planet. Yoo-hoo! Anyway, this is your favorite alien sitting in for Paul Harvey. Tough luck.